up all this? Or is that just from the chickens? We got rodents.
There's chickens and rodents.
Stuck in between there. This one's
It's already stuff that would. It's already clips that probably would get.
Some of these were bad.
They're all bad. That's why I took them out. Some of them I had to shovel out.
Don't worry, I got payback in the car.
When they're this bad, they still have a use. They make good kindling.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say. As
Oh, you got these two ends right here. Yeah, right there.
Is that it?
No, there's more.
What's it?
I just got a splinter. I just got a splinter. It doesn't feel good.
Yeah, there's not much left of these.
No, they're like deteriorated.
Deteriorated?
Deteriorated.
Did you hear how he said it?
That's loading up good.
Yeah, that's why I'm sitting like this.
Yeah. I want to put those on top.
I like the new
No, the other way.
No, that was the right way, but they don't all work.
They didn't really cooperate.
Yeah.
I don't want to,
Avocados from Mexico.
that was so random.
That was random. It's okay. You like avocados from Mexico. And anywhere else they come from. Hey, Chris, they won't all fit there. You'll still have to stuff some underneath the seat.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh,
Our
no.
ties! They're rotten!
You don't say.
Did you have
I just had to do a variation on that. I could probably become a meme of it in and of itself.
You gotta put that on TikTok then.
From our imagination.
Yeah. And what we call the dinosaur.
There's still a empty spot there underneath the seat. Yeah, there you go.
I totally wanted to say something, but
When he's called what we call a dinosaur sensation.
I totally wanted to say something, but it would get my dad demonetized.
Okay. Well, maybe
So I'm not
it'd
gonna
be
say
best
it.
to not say it then.
What do you do?
I think that's everything except those two ties right there in the front that you missed. That's everything on this section. That's Actually, quite a lot.
You don't say.
No, I do say.
Ding,
Hey,
ding.
Chris.
What? That's what she said.
Yeah, say goodnight, Gracie. I'll see you up at the bonfire.
It's actually probably the fastest I've actually gone on the 18.
There's Dudley Do-Right riding his horse. He even makes the horse sounds.
Clock, clock.
Duck! Really, I thought you were paying more attention than that. All right, that's a good place to stop and unload and chuck it into fire. Like that, huh? How's that go again?
Honestly, that could become a meme.
If he were further away from the camera, sure it could.
Honestly, just like that could become a meme.
Maybe, who knows?
Who knows? They made a. Oh no, our table, it's broken. They made that a freaking meme.
Don't just throw it. I mean, just you got to put it in a hot spot because you know of all that wet stuff on top. Okay, well, anyway, what happens at the bonfire stays at the bonfire, so we stop the camera now. Thanks for watching, and today's video is sponsored by millbrookrailroad.com. Please go to our website, check out merch. You can buy ES2500 logos on there, at least order one, maybe, if you want to. They're kind of expensive. They're $4,000 a piece. Actually, come to think of it, for what it is, that's not expensive, but still, it's a chunk of change. And there go more ties. They're falling apart. You may support this channel and help us replace more ties by going to patreon.com and becoming a patron of Millbrook Railroad. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.